Hello everyone. In this video, we will see classification of measuring instruments. These are the some contents of this video lecture. First is what is measuring instrument, what is measurement. Then classification of measuring instruments. In that actually three types are there: mechanical, electrical and electronic type instruments. So we will see their classification in detail. The electrical instrument The electrical instruments are again classified in different types, that is absolute instrument, secondary instrument, null type instrument and deflection type instrument. So we will see this classification in detail. The instrument used for measuring the physical and electrical quantities is known as the measuring instrument. The term measurement means the comparison between the two quantities of the same unit. That means two quantities having same unit. The magnitude of one of the quantity is unknown and it is compared with the predefined value. The result of the comparison obtained regarding numerical value. Next is classification. The measuring instruments are categorized into three types, that are electrical instrument, electronic instrument and mechanical instrument. On the right side figure, you can see instrument are classified in three types: mechanical instrument, electrical instrument and electronic instrument. Further, electrical instrument are classified in absolute instrument and secondary instruments. Again, the secondary electrical instruments are classified as analog and digital instruments. Again, the analog instrument are categorized as deflecting type instrument and null deflection type instruments. And at the end, the deflecting type electrical instruments are classified in three categories: indicating instruments, integrating instrument and recording instruments. So this is the classification of instrument. Further we will see different types of electrical instruments. The mechanical, sorry, we will see what is mechanical instrument. The mechanical instrument uses for measuring the physical quantities. This instrument is suitable for measuring the static and stable condition because the instrument is unable to give the response to the dynamic condition. Therefore, the mechanical instrument uses for only measuring the physical quantities for measuring the static and stable condition. It is suitable for. The electronic instrument has quick response time. The instrument provides the quick response as compared to the electrical and mechanical instrument. So if we compare electrical and mechanical instruments, the quick response provided by electronic instrument. The electrical instrument is used for measuring electrical quantities like current, voltage, and power. The ammeter, voltmeter, and wattmeter are the examples of electrical measuring instrument. The ammeter measures the current in amperes, voltmeter measures the voltage, and wattmeter are used for measurement of power. The classification of electric instruments depend on the method of representing the output reading. The absolute instrument gives the values of measures quantities regarding the physical constant. The physical constant means the angle of deflection, degree, and meter constant. The mathematical calculation requires for knowing the value of physical constant. The tangent galvanometer is the example of the absolute instrument. In the tangent galvanometer, the magnitude of current passes through the coil determines by the tangent of the angle of deflection of their coil. The horizontal component of the earth magnetic field, radius, and the number of turns of wire used. The most common application of this type of instrument are found in the laboratories. Next is secondary instrument. In the secondary instrument, the deflection shows the magnitude of the measurable quantities. The calibration of the instruments with the standard instrument is essential for the measurement. The output of this type of device is directly obtained and no mathematical calculation required for knowing their value. Next is digital and analog instrument. The digital instrument gives the output in the numeric form. The instrument is more accurate as compared to the analog instrument because no human error occurs in the reading. So this is the one of the advantage of digital instrument. There is no human error and the output is in the numeric form. The instrument whose output varies continuously is known as the analog instrument. The analog instrument has the pointer which shows the magnitude of the measurable quantities. The analog device classifies into two types. First one is null type instrument. In this instrument, the zero or null deflection indicates the magnitude of the measured quantity. The instrument has high accuracy and sensitivity. In null deflection instrument, the one known and one unknown quantity used. When the value of the known and the unknown measuring quantities are equal, the pointer shows the zero or null deflection. The null deflection instrument is used in the potentiometer and in galvanometer for obtaining the null point. Next is deflection type instrument. The instrument in which the value of measuring quantity is determined through the deflection of the pointer is known as the deflection type instrument. The measuring quantity deflects the pointer of the moving system of the instrument which is fixed on the calibrated scale. The magnitude of the measured quantity is known. The deflection type instrument is further subclassified into three types, that is indicating instrument, integrating instrument and recording instrument. So in indicating instrument, the instrument which indicates the magnitude of the measured quantity is known as the indicating instrument. The indicating instrument has the dial which moves on the graduated dial. The voltmeter, ammeter, power factor meter are the some examples of the indicating instrument. Next is integrating instrument. The instrument which measures the total energy supplied at a particular interval of the time is known as the integrating instrument. The total energy measured by the instrument is the product of the time and the measured electrical quantities. The energy meter, watt hour meter and the energy meter are the examples of integrating instrument. Next is recording instrument. The instrument records the circuit condition at a particular interval of the time is known as the recording instrument. The moving system of the recording instrument carries a pen which lightly touches on the paper sheet. The movement of the coil is traced on the paper sheet. The curve drawn on the paper shows the variation in the measurement of the different electrical quantities. The response time of the electronic instrument is very high as compared to the electrical and mechanical devices. So here we have covered the classification of instrument. There are three major types: electrical instruments, electronic instruments and mechanical instruments. And in electrical instrument we have seen the deflection type instrument, null type instrument, secondary instrument and absolute instrument. Thank you for watching this video.